When to walk away after the home inspection. Key red flags. Buying a home is a major investment. A thorough inspection can help you avoid costly surprises. Some issues uncovered during an inspection are manageable, while others are significant deal breakers that may warrant walking away. Top reasons to walk away. Structural issue. Roof damage. Mold and water damage. Termite or pest infestations. Electrical and plumbing defects. HVAC system issues. Safety and code violations. When to negotiate versus walk away. Consider negotiating if repairs are affordable and the seller is willing to cover costs. Walk away if the issues are too extensive or the seller refuses to negotiate. Key advice. Understanding which problems are manageable and which are deal breakers can save you from financial stress. A professional home inspection is essential to making an informed decision.